Welcome to EduSX. Today we can see some details about geothermal energy. Geo stands for earth and thermal means heat. Therefore, geothermal energy refers to the energy derived from the heat beneath the earth's surface. Now you see the cross section of the earth. The uppermost layer is called the crust. Then we have the mantle, outer core, and the inner core. The inner core is a very hot solid and has a temperature of around 6000 degrees centigrade. The outer core is in the molten state and has a temperature around 3500 to 4000 degrees centigrade. The mantle consists of the magma. Magma is located below the Earth's surface, which consists of extremely hot liquid and semi-liquid rocks. The temperature of the magma ranges from 650 degrees centigrade to 1200 degrees centigrade. This magma can push through the holes or cracks on the crust, causing volcanic eruptions. In the inner core is at about 6,300 km depth from the Earth's crust. The outer core is about 5,100 km deep, and the mantle, which contains the magma, is at a depth of 2,900 km. History says that the first use of geothermal energy occurred more than 10,000 years ago in North America by American Paleo-Indians. People used water from hot springs for cooking, bathing, and cleaning. In 1904, Italian scientist P.G. Conti invented the first geothermal electric power plant in which he used steam to generate electric power. Today, geothermal energy is used in over 20 countries. United States is the largest producer of geothermal energy in the world. The largest geothermal field, known as Geysers of California, spreads over 117 square kilometers with 22 power plants generating 1.5 gigawatts. Now let us see how the geothermal process happens. Rocks are seen above the hot magma of the earth. If the temperature of the magma is very high, the rocks melt and become magma. Due to this, the underground water gets heated up. Due to the increase in temperature, the pressure increases and the hot water gushes out of the vents or cracks and holes on the earth crust. The most active geothermal resources are usually found along major tectonic plate boundaries where most volcanoes are located. One of the most active geothermal areas in the world is called Ring of Fire, which encircles the Pacific Ocean. Geothermal power plants are installed by drilling wells of 2 to 3 kilometers depth into the earth to pump hot water or steam to the earth's surface. These type of geothermal power plants are installed in regions where a lot of geysers, hot springs, or volcanic activity happens. In the geothermal power plant, hot water is pumped from deep well under high pressure. When the water reaches the surface, the pressure drops, which causes the water to turn into steam. The high pressure steam is used to rotate the turbine, which is connected to a generator that produces electricity. The steam cools off and becomes water, which is pumped back into the earth, and the process is repeated for continuous production of electricity. Geothermal plant at Kenya, it is located at the place Olkaria is seen here. The heat source of the geothermal system at Olkaria is due to the intrusion of hot magma bodies to depth of about 6 kilometers from the surface. The lava has erupted in this place some 200 years ago. Parts of the magma extruded to the surface to form numerous hills in the landscape of Olkaria in Kenya. Geothermal heat pumps are also used. Loop of pipes were buried beneath the earth. This is filled with water or refrigerant. In a cold season, the water or refrigerant heats up as it travels through the part of the loop that is buried underground. Once it comes to the ground level, the warmed water transfers heat into the building. Since the heat is transferred, the water becomes cold and is pumped back to the underground and gets heated once again, and the process is repeated. During a hot day, the system can run in the reverse. This is done by a heat exchanger. The map shows the countries which have installed geothermal power plants worldwide. Most of the countries coming on the Ring of Fire in the Pacific area are generating electricity from geothermal energy. The advantages of geothermal energy include the main thing, that is a renewable and clean energy, and moreover it is cost effective. But the major problem is it is location specific. Here you see a splendid view of the Blue Lagoon geothermal spa in Iceland. People swim in the hot water and they enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe us.